Chainsaw Man isn't strong. He's a concept eraser. In Chainsaw Man lore, Pochita is the chainsaw devil, feared by all devils, not because he kills them. When Chainsaw Man eats a devil, that devil doesn't just die. Its name, concept, and history are erased from reality. Devils like Nazi devil, nuclear weapons devil, and even entire fears were erased from existence, meaning humanity once feared them, and now can't even remember. Devils reincarnate when killed, but if Chainsaw Man eats them, they never come back. Chainsaw Man doesn't beat you, he deletes you.